Hello guys, it's me, Yvonne the Game Pig. Today we're going to be reacting to a new episode of Sonic Boom. The episode is called Fuzzy Puppy Buddies. Alright, let's start. Sonic, Tails, Amy, Knuckles, Sticks, and Dr. Eggman that no one even cares about. Sonic Boom. Okay, there we go.
Thought you were pretty slick playing Warrior Beagle against Pugnacious Pug. Didn't see that coming, did ya? Bam! Slobbering Sheepdog is marking his territory.
Really? Is this a girl? Is this an Amy episode, an Eggman episode?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Really?
What are you doing?
Nothing embarrassing, I'll tell you that right now.
Cute doggy doll.
They're not dolls, they're playing pieces. Part of a very sophisticated battle game that requires strategy, cunning, and merciless aggression.
Oh my god.
Fuzzy puppies. Sounds pretty lame, Amy. It's not lame. It's the coolest new game around. If it's so cool, why are you playing it all by yourself? I'm just honing my skills before the local Fuzzy Puppy meetup at Netburger. All the best, most popular players in town will be there.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the cool, popular Fuzzy Puppy fan group is?
It's right here at this table.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. I was polishing my schnauzer and...
Eggman, you're into Fuzzy Puppies?
Me? No, never. I'm evil and powerful Eggman.
Then-
I wouldn't...
Wait, are you playing a girl game,
I
Eggman?
like Fuzzy puppies. They're adorable.
I know.
Really?
right?
So, if you could do me a solid and not tell Sonic and those guys, okay? They'll just make fun of me.
Tell me about it. Don't worry. Your secret's safe with me. So, who's your favorite Fuzzy Puppy?
OMG! How can you choose just one?
You know, Eggman, maybe you're not so bad after all.
Okay, there we go. Shooting.
I'm gonna wipe you filthy rodents off the face of the planet.
Oh my god. It's the dark robot. There we go. Some beating up.
After this is over, you want to stop by the lair for a quick Fuzzy Puppy session?
Are you serious? Why would I want to hang out with you? You're literally in the middle of attacking us.
That's just business. 9 to 5, we're enemies. And outside office hours, we're Fuzzy Puppy buddies.
What? Okay.
Need some help over there, Ames?
Nah, I got it. Fine. I'll see you at 8.
Curse you, Amy Rose, for smacking me over the horizon.
Even gravity doesn't work on Eggman.
Hey, Amy, we're heading to the beach. Want to come with?
No, I gotta water my cat. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
You don't have a cat.
The third time she ditched us this week.
Yeah, I'm worried. I think she's overwatering that cat.
She doesn't have a cat, Knuckles, you idiot.
Dirk Doberman? Some heavy hitters. Looks like someone's missing.
Ah, yes, the legendary fancy poodle. Fuzzy Puppies. And I've been doggedly pursuing it like a hawk.
Well, I brought over my collection. Maybe you want to do some trades?
Trades? For those lame old pups? I got the big dogs over here.
You got enforcers, but you're missing decoy dogs, assist pups, and defense mutts.
See, the thing is, I'm a collector. I don't really know how to play the game.
With a starter set like this and some basic training from me,
It's like
you'll be a
chess.
top-level puppy pugilist in no time. The goal is to eliminate all of your opponent's puppies from the board. Each puppy has its own unique abilities. Goldie the Retriever can dig a hole, trapping one of your opponent's pieces for 3
Oh,
turns.
it's not like
Charlene
chess.
Sharpay has a bark that can scare a smaller dog off the board.
What's that one do?
Gertie the Bulldog. If you move her, she tracks
He's
Mud in the
so
house and
cute.
gets to the board immediately. I never move her. I think she's cute, so I keep her there for good luck.
Ooh, this one's wearing a little crown.
That's the Ice Tiara. Accessories like that power up your pup. Also, they're adorable.
You don't have to tell me.
What the heck?
Now, let me
That's
show
the
you
first
how
time
it's
Eggman ever said that he's not evil. Did he just use the pug? Aww! There's a lot of bulldog. Aww. Bulldogs and pugs are so cute. Does everybody play this game? Really?
Good game. The student has become the master.
I learned from the best. Well, second best now. You know, since I just crushed you. Victory flip!
You guys
Really?
notice that it's been a really slow week?
Hey, what if it's not a slow week? What if stuff's happening and we're just not a part of it?
That's absurd. We're part of everything.
Yeah, whenever anything happens, it's always centered around you, or me, or Knuckles, or Sticks, or Amy.
Yeah, did you guys forget about Amy?
I've always found the other window better for spying on Amy.
Looks like she's setting up for a date. A date? That's cool. I mean, what do I care? Stop looking at me. It's Eggman. We
A
gotta
date
stop
with
it.
Eggman?
Oh, you did it. Confound you. You've stopped me from enacting my brilliant evil scheme, which is the only reason I was here. Oh well, gotta go.
Did that Eggman attack seem strange?
No,
Yeah.
he was fearsome. I, for one, was terrified.
Eggman doesn't usually knock before an attack. What's going on, Amy?
Nothing. I'm a weak, helpless girl, and you all saved me?
Really?
Eggman and I are fuzzy puppy buddies. You're friends with Eggman? We're only friends when we're not battling. Then we're fuzzy puppy buddies. And tomorrow, he and I are going to PuppyCon. So it's a con! A swindle, a hustle, a flip-flap, a grip, the patsy, the gudgeon.
No, Sticks. It's worse than that. I think PuppyCon is a fuzzy puppy fan convention. Still, I don't trust Eggman. So despite the risk to my carefully cultivated street cred, we're going to PuppyCon.
Oh.
Even Sticks said it? She's a girl!
Awesome! And I don't use that term lightly. Hey, I just found an old cheese puff in my pocket. Awesome!
Ah! Look at all the adorable accessories!
Ooh. Hey, kid, what do you take for that fancy poodle?
I don't think I could part with Fancy Poodle.
Everyone has a price. How about I give you Missy Malamute, Pitbull Polly, and I'll throw in my 2 service robots. And tell you what, same deal. No Orbot and Cubot. See, the offer's better already.
No.
Okay, you're a tough negotiator. How about this? I'll throw in my
Okay.
Obliterator bot. Kids love enormous destructive robots.
My son can't have a giant destructive killing machine. You know nothing about children's safety.
You know nothing about children's safety.
Here you go. One cuteness hat. When activated, it makes your character too cute to resist.
Help! Someone or something is attacking.
And I'm reacting.
Lightning Bolt Society.
Oh, I thought I'd say Eggman. Never mind. Yeah, just do the same thing what you always do. Just crush stuff.
Gotta take care of those lightning bolts. Where did they go? Oh, oh,
Let's go, you lightning bolt loser.
no! I'm innocent! Don't tase me, bro! I guess his PuppyCon experience was rough.
Yeah.
I stole my Fancy Poodle.
Did not. We traded your fancy poodle for my not destroying all you old dear.
This ends now, Eggman.
No, Sonic. Let me handle this my way. Eggman, I challenge you to a game. If I win, you give the kid back his poodle.
Fine. But if you lose, I get Gertie the Bulldog.
You know it's the worst piece.
Because you love it. I am a villain after all. I know all your moves. This is gonna be a piece of cake.
Cake?
Knuckles was an idiot. He was an idiot in Generations. No, he was not an idiot. He was an idiot in Lost World. Aw, the bulldog is so cute!
You're down to Gertie the Bulldog, the weakest piece in the game.
You can win!
Violin. Classical, not country. It's just like when I stole Fancy Poodle by distracting you with a rock slide and blamed it on the lightning bolts.
Shifted the blame, huh? Good idea. Gertie, let's track some mud, shall we? Oh, I almost forgot. His hat. Gertie is now the most adorable puppy on the board. No one would blame her for anything. So another dog must take blame for the mud tracks. And since I have no other puppies,
Okay.
I blame Fancy Poodle.
No! No fair! Now you can just blame all my puppies!
You can't win. Give back the poodle.
I'm not giving it back! I'm not!
Fine. Then we're not fuzzy puppy buddies.
I thought we were FPBFFs. All right, I'll give back Fancy Poodle. So, I'll see you next week. Say, right after I blow up the... after I paint my rumpus room.
And game over. I win.
An Eggman and Amy episode? I know what the next episode will be. I really know what the next episode will be, and it's gonna be great. The next episode will be 52. I'm so excited. What episode is this? 47. Oh, come on! I have to wait too much. To wait like a long time to just get to this episode. I'm ready. See you later.